On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix the limit problem easy and fast on any Android phone or even on the iOS for the iPhones. So all what you have to do, guys, this problem is very easy to solve, so don't worry. So all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps and then go to apps again right here, open the Instagram, and after that click on force stop and click on the storage and then click here on clear data and clear cache. Go back again. Now all what you have to do is open the data users, scroll down and disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back again, click here on open by default, click on always allow and make sure to enable this option, the first one. Go back. Now all what you have to do is simple, just restart your phone and then reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.